For a pimp.
Hello, this is Derek Bertubin, the developer for Mego, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about why we're making this app. And basically, there's a common thing that I've encountered, which is the question, hey guys, what's going on? What do you guys want to do? And a lot of times we really don't know what we want to do. We do a lot of the same things. So there are a few apps that are out there that either give you a good index of what's going on, but maybe these things are in the future and you can't save to calendar, you can't get notifications of to remind you that these things are going on. Sometimes I find myself looking out into the future next week, what I want to do next on the weekend. It's a Wednesday and I want to be reminded of it. Now I could go in and make a note or some sort of reminder, but it would be so much easier if the app that I'm browsing in would actually take care of this for me, and that's why I came up with Mego. There are a few apps out there. One is Eventful, which is an awesome app, but doesn't allow you to save to the calendar, and the other is allevents.in, and allevents.in allows you to save the calendar, but the interface is slightly confusing and convoluted. And the goal with Mego is to take the awesomeness of Eventful and just add some functionality that makes it a little bit more usable. This will be a free app, and because the other two apps that I mentioned are free, so there's no reason to charge for the same type of service. Although the data that is obtained from the app, because this is going to be locational based service type of application, I will be able to record the types of queries that users are actually making and where, so that when internet marketers or marketers are looking to purchase data or get an indication of what's good to market to a specific area, I'll be one of those vendors that can provide that type of information. The overall intended audience, I have fathers who, or families that are looking for family events, something to keep their family active, and the database that I'm using actually provides a lot of good things that families can do. Also for people who like to travel. As a matter of fact, I'm recording this video in Boston. The API that I'm going to use for this application, I've been testing it out, actually planning certain things that I would like to see, and as part of the app, you'll see later on, I can pick a city and see what's going on, and research what I want to do by, and it's very, very different from TripAdvisor. That's another thing you can do. It's not set up, it's not ideal for being a itinerary type application or to plan your trip, but it is something that can keep you updated with local events. And these may be repeating events, and maybe once seasonal events, but it allows you to keep track and also query your calendar to keep a one-stop shop for all type of information relating to the events that you planned out in the future. But that is the app. This is Mego. I have provided the design document so you can go into a little further about how the app works, as we see here, and I think you'll be very pleased. Once again, this is Derek Bertubin, the developer for Mego. Thank you, and see you guys soon.